If you're planning to buy a new computer this 2025, hold on before hitting that checkout button. There are a few key things you should know to make sure your money goes where it truly matters. The computer market is evolving fast, and a smart buyer needs to keep up. Let's go over 4 crucial things to know before getting a new PC this year. First, understand your purpose. Don't buy a high-end gaming PC if all you'll use it for is browsing, video calls, or schoolwork. It's one of the most common mistakes people make. Before deciding, think about what you'll actually be doing most of the time, whether that's gaming, video editing, work-from-home tasks, or just daily browsing. Once you're clear on that, you can choose the right specs and save hundreds of dollars by avoiding unnecessary upgrades. Second, don't overlook the processor generation. In 2025, Intel and AMD are pushing their latest CPUs with massive performance gains and AI acceleration features. For instance, Intel's Core Ultra chips and AMD's Ryzen 8000 series both come with integrated NPUs, which help handle AI tasks directly on your laptop. That means smoother multitasking, better battery life, and improved performance for creative tools and productivity apps. So don't just look at the i5 or Ryzen 7 label. Check the generation number to make sure you're getting the latest technology. Third, prioritize SSD storage and RAM capacity. These 2 parts directly affect how fast your computer feels. Always go for SSD over HDD. It makes booting up and opening programs much faster. As for RAM, 16 GB has become the new standard for smooth multitasking in 2025. If you're into gaming, content creation, or running multiple apps at once, consider upgrading to 32 GB for extra headroom. Fourth, watch out for hidden costs and upgradability. Some budget laptops and pre-built PCs look good on paper, but they might be locked down, meaning you can't upgrade the RAM or storage later. Always check whether your device allows upgrades or if everything is soldered to the motherboard. Spending a bit more for an upgradable model can save you from buying a whole new system in just a couple of years. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Don't ignore the ports and connectivity options. In 2025, USB-C and Thunderbolt 4 are becoming the new standard. Make sure your device has enough ports for your accessories, external drives, or displays, especially if you're a student or professional who uses multiple devices. Buying a new PC this year doesn't have to be overwhelming. As long as you know what to look for, purpose, processor, storage, and upgrade options, you'll end up with a system that's not only powerful but also future-proof. If this video helped you understand what to look for in your next computer, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips and buying guides just like this one.